Well, we're getting out a package. All right, let's check it out. Doggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Sly Tactical. Feel free to check them out. They have a selection of items that are custom made to order, so you can select the actual equipment being used to assemble the item, as well as the exact color of the textiles being used to assemble your item. So again, Sly Tactical for your custom made gear to order. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way, and let's see how we can get this open carefully here. I'm going to use scissors today. Okay, starting cut, and we have serrations, so we can continue that very easily. And go ahead and dump out the contents. Leads, and that's it. Okay, plain and simple, and a little bit of filler wrap around everything. So what we got are, let's start with these. These are kind of add-ons to equipment I already have. These are what are called QD leads, and I had selected these color-wise in foliage green with a black buckle attachments and the QD. So ordered 3 because one may go with one of these, and these may go with existing equipment that I have. So I'll give you an idea of what you got here. These are the plastic components. Here's the foliage green, and then they sew these directly onto one of these QD lead assemblies. So quick detached. Let's go ahead and get a prop into view that we're going to be using for this video. This is just an example rail from Midwest Industries. There are other vendors, but I like this brand. This one in particular has QD sockets at both ends. So I'm going to go ahead and test for fit. Pretty good, no twist. Beyond the 90 degrees. Very cool. So 3 of those, and then main item here. They make slings to order. This is called the TR-2. This is also the TR-1, as well as the other Sly Tactical selection of slings. Now, TR is a collaboration with Tactical Rifleman, and there is a story behind the development of the TR slings, as well as the history of Tactical Rifleman brand in relation to the designer Carl Erickson, who is ex-retired Spec Ops, so I believe Sergeant Major, and has a very storied history, very exciting. So feel free to check out everything involved here. Sly Tactical, contact info, as well as the Tactical Rifleman. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what Carl's creation design here is in person. So you can see here we got our little bit of very tough elastic, very cool. I'm actually going to put that right up here for my cable routing, my extension arm. There we go. And let's see, there's another one here. Let's see how they've actually assembled it onto this rig. You can see there they have their own branded hook system, and this is on the T-grabber right there. So I'm going to also put this on our extension arm, so that's why the camera's shaking. Alright, so the TR-2 is a padded version of the Tactical Rifleman Sling. I already have the TR-1 versions, so you can see how there are various components, the buckles, the loops for sizing. So depending on your size, they will ask when you're ordering to please provide your body dimensions, whether you are stocky, large, thin, tall, even down to your specific height, left hand, right hand. So it is almost a physical bio they're requesting, because they want to take into account how much material to use, so that you're not just flapping a lot of excess, or that you're going to run out, because your relative size may change depending on what other gear you're packing at the time, which will change your overall volume displacement. So you can see here again, I picked foliage green with black highlights, and you can see how everything is all put together. Again, everything is made to order. You can see our slider here. Magnet test, it is steel on the slider, very tough. And the hook, also steel. And then getting back to our QD end, you can see how this is over on here. Now the beauty of this is there's a lot going on here. You can see this attachment here of the Sly Tactical S logo. What happens is, in a pinch, if you need to go from 2 point to 1 point, there you go. So this will be your 1 point attachment. And then easily back to a 2 point with either the hook and a QD, or this detaches and you can slap this thing into here, just like that. So just like that, you can go from for example, that up here, this is your grabber for the slider. And this, I'm just going to get a stock into view with one of these. This is also a Midwest Industries stock adapter for a QD. Or you could even do this. Take this off, put this sucker on, go to this. Or I can, if I had another one of these, I could take this hook and also put it up to here. You know, depending on how we want to rig this thing up. This is from Magpul. So there's a lot of ways you can configure this depending on, you know, what sort of equipment you're running and what your needs actually are. So a lot of options. And this is from Spike's Tactical, this particular buttstock. That's everything I think I'm using in this video, just to give minor shout outs. So you can see how this sling has a lot going on in its ability to be reconfigured literally on the sly. As I believe they might be able to advertise it as. Here's also some extra material tucked away under this nice little binder right there. That's very cool, so you even have more material to play with. So, going backwards, we got ourselves one of these quick conversion slings, but now repackaged as the TR-2 from Tactical Rifleman. It's out of the way. That's our sling. And we also started off with 3 of these QD leads, so you can actually customize how your sling actually will fit. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage, milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews, and also a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.